Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about how to alter rows and columns as rows as column and column as rows by using transpose option in MS Excel. So friends, we have created a table where you are saying 3 columns and many rows. Then if you want to change these columns as rows, then you have to just copy this table, and after copying this table you have to go to menu home menu, and then you just have to click on paste option that's on clipboard block. And when you see here transpose option, you just have to click anywhere on any cell in your worksheet or MS Excel, and you just have to follow the same step, and you have to just click on transpose. As you click on transpose option, you can see that your columns have now been defined as rows and rows are now defined as columns in your MS Excel. So by using transpose option, you to alter rows and columns as columns in rows and rows as columns in MS Excel. So friends, for more updates, stay tuned with us. Thanks a lot guys.